my friends, today we're talking about turkeys, and I'm talking about Primos's Purple Haze. I already got the package opened up because this is the second take, and this is what we're talking about right here. This is made by Primos, and like I said, it's called the Purple Haze. It's made of plastic. It has the soundboards here in the back, the big old bright purple. You have a little jewel handle right here with a wooden thing on it, and it also comes with a scotch rod pad. It does have a little hole right here, and so doesn't the call, so I'm not sure if that's for a landing or not, but let's go ahead and give it a shot. It says that you don't have to condition this call at all, so let's go ahead and try it without that. Now let's go ahead and scratch it up a little bit and see if she sounds any better. Probably can't even tell. Not bad, not bad at all. This is the Purple Haze, and you guys should definitely check it out. I've had this particular call before. I used it and I left it in the woods one day, and I went to go back the next day and it was gone. So somebody else found it and enjoyed my turkey call. So I liked it so much I went out and bought another. So you guys stay safe, and I'll see you next time.